Facebook is deleting live videos permanently. When I first posted about this, I got a flood of questions, really great ones, that needed deeper explanation. So I'm creating this special video series to walk you through exactly what's happening, what you need to do, and how to protect your content before it's too late. This change was announced in February of 2025 and is rolling out throughout the summer of 2025. Some people are already seeing their videos disappearing while others haven't been affected yet. That's why in this series, I'm breaking it all down step by step. Hi, I'm Maggie Carey. I'm a social media strategist who has helped thousands of entrepreneurs go from I don't know what to post to I've got this by using simple, easy to follow steps that make a big difference. It's showtime. Let's get started. Facebook is deleting live videos after 30 days. This means any live video you ever streamed on Facebook, whether on your profile, business page, or group, will disappear unless you take action. Now, it's not happening right away, but it depends on when you're watching this video. But what does this mean for you? Well, if you use Facebook Live for tutorials, Q&A sessions, or community engagement, those videos could be gone unless you save them. If you repurpose Facebook Lives into content for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, you'll want to download your past videos now before they vanish. The repurposed video that you've done into a regular post will be okay. If you've invested time and effort into building engagement through lives, you need to rethink your content strategy moving forward. Some people have already started seeing notifications warning them about their lives being removed. Others haven't. But just because you don't see the notice yet doesn't mean you're safe. And by the way, I saw my notice once and then it disappeared and I have not seen it since. And no, Facebook isn't giving us an option to keep them on the platform indefinitely. When does this take effect? Well, Facebook started rolling this out in waves beginning February 19 of 2025. Not everyone has been notified yet, but if you go live regularly, it's only a matter of time. If you wait until you get the notification, you could lose your video before you get a chance to download them. Here's a tip. Check your Facebook notifications under Settings, Your Information, Download Your Information. See if you have a message about your live videos being deleted. Now, a business owner I know who hosts weekly lives in her private Facebook group has over 500 videos worth of training, and she realized what's happening. Now, she needs time to not only download them, but she needs time to check to make sure everything downloaded properly. What can you do about it? Start downloading your videos now. Even if you think your account isn't affected yet, it's better to be safe than sorry. In another video, I'll walk you through how to download your Facebook Lives step by step. The next step is you need to decide where you'll store them. I'll talk about storage options in another episode. But good options include Google Drive, external hard drives, or uploading them to YouTube or LinkedIn. Plan for the future. If Facebook is making these changes, do you want to keep using Facebook Live knowing there might be more updates later? Alternatives like YouTube Live, Instagram Live, LinkedIn Live, or private Zoom sessions might be a better long-term solution. I'll be covering those options in an upcoming video. Now, a fitness coach I know does Facebook Live workouts for her private group. Now she's backing up all her lives and shifting her sessions to YouTube Lives instead. She keeps her audience engaged while ensuring her content stays available. I'm taking all of my videos and I'm storing them in a private location where only my users can access them. You have to determine what system you're going to use, because today it's Facebook. It might be LinkedIn. It might be another platform that starts doing these limitations to your lives. So what's next? Please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the rest of this Facebook Live series. Check out our YouTube channel for the full Facebook Live series playlist to get all the details on what's happening and what you should do next. Now remember, if you need help with your social media, please reach out to me, Maggie Carey. You can find out more at masteritmedia.com. There we have a contact us page. You can reach out and schedule a call with me to find out how these things are affecting you and your business. Until next time, keep your posting painless and your engagement powerful.